How does the train work?
It goes to Logan and get the milk to ride the train, and the train ride how it works.
Where does the steam come from?
A purple one. The purple.
What does it do? And what does it do?
Wheels, chicken, and bacon. It gets wheels to the train.
Oh.
It rounds.
Mm-hmm.
It's interesting. Yes. That bacon.
You're right.
When we
You go on my room. Then go potty. Logan.
What?
Look at Mom. How old are you?
I'm Logan.
That's your name. How old are you?
I'm Logan.
I know. Look.
4.
No.
3.
That's right. You are 3.
And that's 3.
Yeah. What are you going to be for Halloween?
I'm gonna give for a train.
No. What are you going to be for Halloween? Look at Mom.
I'm gonna be an Optimus Prime.
That's right. You're going to be an Optimus Prime.
Yes.
What does Optimus Prime say? Autobots, roll out.
Yeah, you say that.
Yeah, can you say that?
No.
Say Autobots, roll out.
Get something. I realized it with this to this train.
There's a train.
I ripped it.
Oh, uh-oh. That's okay. Mommy will tape it later, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, you take that
Yeah, I'll tape that.
to this book, and to this book, and to this book.
You have a messy face. Did you know that?
No.
You do. Looks like you have a beard.
Let me see.
Oh, hold on. I'll show you in a little bit, okay?
Okay. This game goes faster with the milk.
Hey,
Milk and water.
do you have a brother?
No.
Do you have a brother?
No.
Yes. What's your brother's name?
Sister.
You do have a sister. What's your sister's name?
Climb up, see it.
Logan.
What?
Who are your sisters?
Me. Logan was my sister.
You love your sisters?
Mm-hmm. Boy was my sister.
Boy, you love your sisters?
Uh-huh. Logan loved me.
Yeah. What about Sprinkies?
No, that's just sister. Love Springs.
You love Sprinks, your sister.
No, not that.
What about Cookie?
No, not weekend. But it's Halloween.
What? Do you have a sister named Cookie? Yes. Do you have a sister named Sprinks?
What is how work?
What's your brother's name?
Look
Look at me. Look at Mom. Hunter.
Hunter. No, not Hunter. You know is my brother's sister. Hunter's not my brother's sister. Okay, that's Hunter.
See you later.
I just fell off.
You sure did.
Yeah, I just fell off. Let me see it.
Okay, can you say see you later?
See you later.
Alligator.
Alligator.
After a while.
At the rail.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.